Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for website creation. Getting started is super easy. First, open Canva and search for website to explore thousands of stunning templates. You'll find options for every purpose, from portfolios to small businesses. Pick one that truly speaks to your vision, then dive into customizing it. You can easily change colors, fonts, and images to make it uniquely yours, all within a few clicks. Now, let's talk design. Canva's intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes adding elements a breeze. You can effortlessly place text boxes, images, and even videos exactly where you want them. Explore Canva's vast media library, offering millions of free and premium photos, illustrations, and icons to enhance your site. Remember to check the responsive design feature to ensure your website looks fantastic on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. To make your website truly engaging, consider adding interactive content. You can easily embed links, create clickable buttons, and even integrate simple forms for visitor interaction. Expand your site by adding multiple pages, perhaps an About Us or Contact page, to provide a comprehensive experience. Always ensure your navigation menu is clear and easy to use, guiding your visitors smoothly through your content. Once your masterpiece is complete, it's time to publish. Canva offers straightforward publishing options. You can launch your website with a free Canva domain, or if you prefer, connect your own custom domain for a more professional look. After publishing, grab your website link and share it widely across your social media channels, email newsletters, and anywhere else you want to promote your new online presence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.